I'm selling brownies for 50 cents and lemonade for $20.
Hey, Brad, are you really selling lemonade for $20?
Yes.
Lemonade does not cost that much, dummy.
I don't care.
If you charge less, you'll make more profit.
I'm keeping it at $20.
You should listen to me. I went to business school.
So, I went to preschool.
So if you raise the brownie prices and lower the lemonade, you'll make more money.
I know what I'm doing, Karen.
No one is gonna pay that much for lemonade.
Not changing it.
Okay, whatever, dummy. I'll take a brownie.
There you go. That's 50 cents.
What the? This tastes like dog poop, sawdust, and chili powder.
Yup, that's the ingredient that I used.
I need to get this taste out of my mouth.
I bet you don't mind spending on $20 on lemonade now, huh?